Welcome to Healthism. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of one of nature's most sought-after treasures, the black truffle. Whether you're a food enthusiast, a culinary explorer, or someone simply curious about the unique qualities and cultural significance of this elusive fungi, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll uncover the history, culinary importance, potential health benefits, and how to use black truffles in your own kitchen. By the end of this episode, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the diamond of the kitchen and some exciting ideas on how to incorporate it into your daily life. But before we embark on this truffle journey, please take a moment to subscribing, liking, or turning on notifications so you can stay up to date with all things related to health, food, and wellness. So, whether you're an experienced truffle connoisseur or a truffle novice, join me as we explore the enchanting world of black truffles. Let's get started. Tuber melanosporum, commonly known as the black truffle, is a type of fungi that is highly prized in culinary circles for its strong and distinct flavor. These truffles are typically found in the soil around the roots of certain trees, like oak and hazelnut, in regions of southern Europe. They are often used in gourmet dishes, particularly in French and Italian cuisine, to add a unique and earthy flavor. History and cultural significance. The history and cultural significance of Tuber melanosporum, or the black truffle, are rich and fascinating. 1. Historical use. Truffles have a long history of culinary use dating back to ancient times. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all valued truffles for their flavor and believed they had aphrodisiac properties. 2. Medieval Europe. Truffles were popular in medieval European cuisine, but they fell out of favor during the Renaissance. However, they made a resurgence in the 18th century in French and Italian cuisine. 3. French cuisine. Black truffles are particularly associated with French gastronomy, especially in the regions of Périgord and Provence. They are used in various classic dishes like truffle omelets and sauces. 4. Italian cuisine. Italy is another prominent consumer of black truffles, with regions like Umbria and Piedmont being famous for their truffle dishes. Truffle hunting is a cultural tradition in Italy, with truffle festivals celebrating the harvest. 5. Cultural symbolism. Truffles have been associated with luxury and decadence, making them a symbol of fine dining and high cuisine. They are often considered a status symbol. 6. Truffle hunting. Truffle hunting has been a traditional practice in regions where black truffles grow. Specially trained dogs or pigs are used to sniff out the truffles buried underground. 7. The truffle industry has significant economic importance in certain regions, with truffle trade contributing to the livelihoods of local communities. 8. Conservation concerns. Overharvesting and habitat destruction have raised concerns about the sustainability of truffle production. Efforts are being made to protect truffle ecosystems and ensure their long-term viability. 9. Modern cuisine. Truffles continue to be highly sought after in modern cuisine, and their unique flavor is used to enhance a variety of dishes, from pasta to gourmet burgers. Nutritional value. Black truffles, like many other fungi, are not typically consumed for their nutritional content but rather for their unique flavor and aroma. However, they do contain some nutrients and are relatively low in calories. Here's a general overview of their nutritional value per 100 grams. Calories, approximately 30 to 50 calories. Protein, 3 to 4 grams. Carbohydrates, 5 to 7 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 to 3 grams. Fat, 2 to 3 grams. Truffles contain small amounts of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, iron, and calcium. Keep in mind that the primary appeal of truffles lies in their intense and distinctive flavor, which is often described as earthy, musky, and pungent. They are typically used in small quantities as a flavor enhancer in dishes rather than as a significant source of nutrition. Health benefits. Black truffles are not commonly consumed for their health benefits, but they do offer some potential advantages. 1. Antioxidants. Truffles contain antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants may contribute to overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Low in calories. They are relatively low in calories, which can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or calorie intake. 3. Potential anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that truffles may have anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of certain bioactive compounds. 4. Nutrient density. While not a significant source of vitamins and minerals, truffles do provide small amounts of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and minerals, which can contribute to overall nutrient intake. It's important to note that truffles are often consumed in small quantities and used for their flavor rather than their nutritional value. Any potential health benefits should be considered in the context of a balanced diet, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. Medicinal uses. Black truffles are primarily known for their culinary uses and are not traditionally used for medicinal purposes. However, some anecdotal and preliminary studies suggest that truffles may have certain health-related properties. But these are still being explored and are not widely accepted in the medical community. Here are a few potential medicinal uses that have been suggested. 1. Immune support. Some compounds found in truffles, such as beta-glucans, have immune-stimulating properties and may have potential in supporting the immune system. 2. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in truffles may help combat oxidative stress, which is associated with various health conditions. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies indicate that truffles may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be relevant in conditions where inflammation plays a role. It's essential to understand that research on the medicinal uses of truffles is ongoing, and any potential health benefits are not yet well established. If you are considering using truffles or truffle products for medicinal purposes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance and to rely on established medical treatments where appropriate. How to use. Black truffles are a delicacy and are typically used sparingly to enhance the flavor of various dishes. Here are some common ways to use black truffles. 1. Shave or grate over dishes. Fresh black truffles are often shaved or grated over dishes just before serving. This can include pasta, risotto, scrambled eggs, or even simple dishes like mashed potatoes. The heat of the dish helps release the truffle's aroma. 2. Infuse oil or butter. You can infuse oil or butter with black truffle flavor by placing a whole truffle in a container with the oil or butter. Over time, the aroma will be absorbed, and you can use the flavored oil or butter in your cooking. 3. Make truffle butter. Mix finely chopped or grated truffle into softened butter to create truffle butter. This can be used to add truffle flavor to a wide range of dishes, from grilled steaks to vegetables. 4. Truffle sauces. Black truffles are used to create truffle-based sauces, such as truffle cream sauce, that can be drizzled over meat, pasta, or vegetables. 5. Truffle salt or truffle oil. You can buy truffle salt or truffle-infused oil to season your dishes. These products provide a more accessible way to add truffle flavor to your cooking. 6. Truffle-based dishes. Black truffles are a key ingredient in various traditional dishes, like truffle risotto, truffle-infused pâté, and truffle-flavored cheeses. 7. Garnish. Use thin truffle slices or truffle shavings as a garnish for salads, soups, or appetizers. It's important to note that the flavor of black truffles is strong and should be used sparingly to avoid overpowering other ingredients. Fresh truffles are often considered superior to truffle products like truffle oil, which may contain synthetic flavors. When using fresh truffles, store them in a container with rice to keep them fresh and to absorb excess moisture. Black truffle oil. Black truffle oil, a gourmet delicacy derived from black truffles, offers a unique and delightful addition to culinary creations. While it's primarily used for its rich, earthy flavor and aroma, it also provides a few potential benefits. 1. Flavor enhancement. Black truffle oil imparts a deep, earthy, and musky flavor to dishes, elevating the taste of a wide range of foods from pasta to risotto. 2. Calorie-conscious alternative. It's a flavorful option for those looking to add a truffle essence to their dishes without the high-calorie content of actual truffle pieces. 3. Versatile cooking. Black truffle oil can be used in various cooking methods, such as drizzling it over finished dishes, using it in salad dressings, or incorporating it into sauces and marinades. 4. Potential antioxidants. Truffles, and by extension, truffle oil, contain antioxidants that may help combat oxidative stress and promote overall health. 5. Aromatic experience. The intense aroma of black truffle oil can enhance the overall dining experience, making your dishes more appealing. However, it's important to use black truffle oil in moderation, as it can be quite potent, and its flavor may dominate a dish if used excessively. Additionally, be mindful of the quality of truffle oil, as some products may use synthetic flavorings rather than real truffles. And that wraps up our journey into the captivating world of black truffles. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the history, culinary significance, and potential health benefits of tuber melanosporum. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow truffle enthusiasts. And for more exciting content related to health, food, and wellness, be sure to subscribe to our Healthism channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you for joining us on this truffle adventure. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonderful world of food and well-being with Healthism. See you in the next video.